Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and that customer asks them or asks you to call them back on the following number 0922. Do you know which network that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet you can figure this out in a matter of seconds. So what to do? First of all, log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you're on the dashboard. And what you need to do is you need to go to the tools. So we click here on the tools tab, and you can see here every tool available on CouponBet for your travel agency. But what we need is the provider prefix checker. So you can see here we have all the phone numbers and all the prefixes with the Philippine telecom operators. So what we need now is we need to put in the number that we want to know. So that's 0922. And there you are. So you can see instantly this is a Sun phone number. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. So if you like these tools from CouponBet that helps you to organize your travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.